Well, I have an album out, a country music album out right now.
And you're working on, you're definitely working on a Christmas album. Look at that.
The country music album is Why Not Me? A Christmas album coming out in October called Shatner Claus. It's really good. This book, I'm on tour with a film called The Wrath of Khan, and I come out afterwards. We discuss the film, and I'm going to Australia. I did a one-man show on Broadway some time ago. I'm taking that out on Australia.
I mean, just showing off.
And all kinds of wonderful things. WilliamShatner.com. Go to it and you'll find out.
Well, we'll link to all that from here too. With the country music, did you write the country music, or you chose your favorite country music and made a collection? I
was asked to do a country music album, and I said, what'll I sing? And whereupon there is a large number, a vast coterie of people in Nashville who spend their lives writing songs.
That's their industry.
It's their industry. Yeah. So they put down on piano and guitar and all that the song they wish you to buy.
Wow.
And then either you're there or you get it like I did on my phone, and I'm listening.
So you collaborate with them, right?
This is a good one. That's not a good one. That's got to pick 12 songs with Jeff Cook of Alabama, and I learned those songs by listening to the demonstrator.
Wow.
I performed those songs at Jeff Cook's studio. We have 12 country music. It was so much fun. It's a wonderful album.
How much fun.